Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in OpenBox Tech channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Opera web browser in your Windows 10 PC. So first of all, you need to go to any browser that you have. So I'm going in Firefox here. Then you need to go to the Google here and search for opera.com here. As you can see, I have already searched for opera.com here. Then you will have the opera.com website here. So we're downloading for Windows, so I'm going to click the Opera for Windows here. Then this will go to the directly to the official website of the Opera here. As you can see, this is the official website for Opera. So you need to download for Windows here. So you need to click on download now option here with the Windows icon here. As you can see, click on download now, and this will show you the pop-up of the exe file of the setup file here. So you just need to click on save file here, and it will start to download here. As you can see, it's start to download here. As you can see, the download is completed here, which is only 2.5 MB here. So you need to go to the folder that where we have downloaded the exe file here. You need to go to the folder. This is the download folder here, and as you can see, this is the Opera setup file here. So I'm going to double click to run the file here. Click run here. As you can see, here's the installation process here. So you need to just click install here, and as you can see, this will take some moment here. Also, this is downloading some file here, which will take some moment about your internet speed here. After downloading and extracting the file, it's installing now. As you can see, the icon is also here, and it's installing here. So as you can see, installation finish here, and it's automatically open up the browser here. As you can see, so as you can see, after installation process, the Opera browser is already open here automatically. So it's working properly, and also you can see the Messenger and WhatsApp and Instagram are already in the speed or the bookmark option here. So you can directly go to the Messenger, WhatsApp or Instagram from the Opera browser here. So that's it guys, this is how you download and install the Opera web browser here. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching.